Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 4 best welding goggles on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 4. HUWEIIA EF35 Welding Goggles. The HUWEIIA EF35 welding goggles are a must-have for welding professionals, offering reliable eye protection during operations. These goggles feature laser safety glasses, providing comprehensive protection against harmful rays emitted during welding processes. Despite not having a certification listed, the quality and effectiveness of these goggles speak volumes. Made in mainland China, they incorporate the latest manufacturing techniques and materials, ensuring durability and longevity. The sleek black color of the goggles not only offers functionality but also style, providing a comfortable fit for prolonged wear. The ergonomic design allows for a focused focus on welding tasks without distractions. Number 3. ANENG Welding Goggles. ANENG welding goggles are a reliable and comfortable option for those seeking safety and comfort in welding environments. Made from high-quality materials like silica gel and polypropylene, these goggles are resistant to harsh conditions and meet industry safety standards. They offer a comfortable fit thanks to their silica gel construction, allowing for uninterrupted work. Originating from mainland China, these goggles are suitable for various industrial tasks, including cutting and grinding. Their sleek design reflects the attention to detail put into their construction. Despite their high-quality construction and numerous features, ANENG welding goggles are affordable, making them accessible to both professionals and hobbyists. This ensures peace of mind and ensures that you have the best protection for your eyes during your welding sessions. Number 2. NICESEEM Welding Goggles. NICESEEM's welding goggles are a comprehensive safety gear designed to enhance visibility and safety in hazardous work environments. These goggles are made from high-quality materials and meet FCC and RoHS certification standards. They offer anti-glare, polarization, anti-fog, anti-UV, dust-proof, and radiation protection capabilities. The goggles are manufactured by NICESEEM, a reputable brand from mainland China. They are also known as laser goggles protection glasses and are designed to fit most adults comfortably. These goggles offer light absorption, reducing strain on the eyes and enhancing visibility in various welding conditions. They are versatile and can be used for various applications, including laser pointer glasses, laser hair removal glasses, radiation lead glasses, X-ray glasses, infrared glasses, and prescription goggles. Number 1. TRUSOXIN Texas R Welding Goggles. The TRUSOXIN Texas R welding goggles are a reliable and innovative solution for welding safety. They are powered by solar energy and a lithium battery, providing uninterrupted operation even in low-light conditions. The goggles have a high sensitivity, ensuring prompt response to changes in light intensity. They have an irregular view area design, providing enhanced visibility and coverage. The goggles have rapid switch times, ensuring minimal delay between changes in light conditions and adjustments in visibility. They also feature auto-darkening technology, allowing seamless transitions between light and dark states without manual adjustments. The Texas R Series model embodies TRUSOXIN's commitment to excellence in welding safety equipment. The PP helmet material ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Made in mainland China, these goggles combine advanced technology with meticulous craftsmanship, meeting the highest standards of quality and reliability. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.